Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10 lines on the legendary cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Mahendra Singh Dhoni is an Indian cricketer. Second line is he is lovingly called Mahi by his fans. Third line is he is also known as Captain Cool. Fourth line is he is one of the most successful captains in the history of cricket. Fifth line is he was born on July 7, 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Sixth line is he made his international cricket debut in December 2004 and quickly rose to prominence. Seventh line is he captained the Indian cricket team from 2007 to 2016. Eighth line is he is known for his helicopter shot and aggressive batting style. Ninth line is, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest finisher in the history of cricket. Last line is, he is an influential and beloved figure both on and off the cricket pitch.